welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have thought of addressing an important issue, that is the issue of doom scrolling. And it is not just about scrolling, but using social media and internet unnecessarily and unconsciously. So, what are the impact of this issue and what are the solutions for us? So, let's get into the video and discuss this. So nowadays, almost everybody is doom scrolling. We just pick up our phones for 5 minutes and we end up using it for hours and hours. This is something that is really bad. I wouldn't say honestly that social media and internet is a bad thing because we needed it. It was a necessity. But what has become now is an addiction. An addiction of anything is really bad. So, what can we do about it? The realistic situation in front of us is whenever we get free, whenever there is silence for 5 minutes, we just pick up our phones and we just see the notification, we keep chatting, we keep scrolling, and this is a never ending process. Even when we are with our family members, we are in metros traveling alone, we are using our screen. Almost everybody is doing the same thing. Nobody is talking the way we used to do it, nobody is observing the surrounding, and nothing productive is happening. Our brain is in a need of constant stimulation, and that's really harmful for us. It's not just harmful for our, you know, personal relationship, it is harmful for our mental health, and this is something that we cannot compromise with. As I said, social media has many benefits. Like, we learn new skills through social media, we stay connected with each other through social media, and people are even growing their businesses on social media. Hence, we cannot say that it's entirely bad, but what is bad is how we are using it. We are constantly scrolling our phones. We just, our mind just needs constant stimulation. Our mind is in our need of constant pleasure. That's dopamine, we call it, right? So that is like really damaging for our brain. So we cannot afford it. What we can do is, there are so many solutions. Like, instead of using our phones when we are eating and when we are with our family members, we can really keep it aside and talk to each other, or simply sit quietly. There is no need to be always busy with it, right? We should also start reading books. Like, that's the best way. I have also started reading books, and books are really, really good thing, I would say. So whenever you feel bored, instead of picking your phones and using it and scrolling it, you must start reading books. That's the best habit. Also, if you are into art and other things, you can also do it, right? You can paint, and people are even exploring their skills when they are free. So instead of damaging your brain through phones and gadgets, we must start using these gadgets consciously. What has happened is, technology has started controlling us, and that is really damaging and harmful for us. So if you are a conscious being, so let's be conscious the way we are. Hence, stop using phones so much that it disturbs your mind. You stop focusing, and you are even unable to sleep properly. That's why, stop comparing yourself with everybody online. Just be yourself, know what you are doing. Compare yourself with yourself instead of others. Like, that's really healthier. And, you know, don't feel negative about everything. Just be happy about your own well being. If you have your own house, if you're getting to eat, if you have everything, the bare minimum resources that everybody needs, if you have it all, then just be happy about it. And because there is no end to needs, there is no end to our needs. So just be satisfied with what you have and be happy, and make others happy too. I hope I was able to convey my message, that how social media is impacting us, and how it's impacting our mental and physical health. It's controlling our mind and everything. Hence, we have to make a conscious choice of using it when it's needed. We can turn on the focus mode, and what happens when you turn on your focus mode. The focus mode turns off all the apps that are unnecessary for the time being. Like, if you're working, then it turns off all the apps that are distracting you, so you are able to focus on your work. Hence, use it. So I hope I am clear with the message, and I hope you guys will follow what I've said in the video. And thank you so much for watching.